Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add social media's icons to Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. In your home menu, click on settings and select social links and click on add a social link or email, and now give here your social media's URL or email URL. So first of all, I'm going to add my Facebook URL here. So after putting your URL, hit on enter, and here we can see the Facebook icon has been added here, and the same way you can add your another social links here. So this was how we can add social icons to Squarespace. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.